Hi there, students. Putative is an adjective and putatively the adverb. Okay, if something is putative, it's generally believed to be true. It's commonly believed that it's like this, but without proof. This is what people suppose to be true, but they have no direct evidence of it. So John is the putative father of the baby. Everybody thinks John is the father, but there's no evidence that he is. So putative is something that is inferred as true generally by people. Purported, reputed, supposed. Until the judge declares him guilty, his putative guilt is still not absolutely decided. Bats are the putative origin of the COVID virus. The putative cause of death was extreme blood loss. The scandal called his putative honesty into question. So everybody thought that he was honest, but the scandal made us start to doubt it. The putative ending of the film leads me to believe there will be a sequel. So maybe you saw the hero walk down into a group of Indians unarmed, and you hear shouting, and you don't actually see him die. Yeah? You just assume that he does, because then you can have the sequel by starting it with him fighting bravely and running away or something like that. So putative, what we infer is true. In law, they use putative to mean something is deemed, decided as true, unless proved otherwise. Okay? So for legal purposes, this is true, unless you can prove the opposite. Now, putative has another meaning that I quite liked in a grammatical sense. In some languages, there is a putative mood for verbs. So I guess there's a putative inflection. The putative mood is for saying something without direct evidence that it's true. Something that you say, but you've only inferred from something else. Okay? Now, notice as well, with this adjective putative, you normally or nearly always use it before a noun. The putative father, his putative guilt, the putative origin, the putative cause, his putative honesty, the putative ending. So the putative reason for this was, but we don't normally say the reason was putative. We don't normally use it with the verb to be. It normally just describes a noun. So putative, generally believed as true, inferred as true, but without direct evidence. This is a formal word, 7.8, 7.5, 8 in formality. I wouldn't use putative in an informal conversation. Supposed, yeah? Generally believed to be, something like that. In something semi-formal or something very formal, you can definitely use the word putative, though. Okay, its origin comes from Latin. Putativus, which means supposed or supposed, and putatus, thought. Okay, so it's what people think is, but without evidence to it. So there you go, putative. What people think is true, but without proof. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Putative.